Hi everyone, today topic is time and work. In time and work, the last topic is time and sorry, last topic is based on the work and wages. Based on the work and wages. Wages means amount. Wages means amount. Work and amount. Wages are wages are given in proportional to the work done. That means wages are directly proportional to the work done. That means amount is directly proportional to the work done, and indirectly or inversely proportional to the time taken by the individual. That means wages are amount is indirectly proportional to the time taken by the individual at number of days. Or amount should be, that means wages means amount should be distributed among the persons based on the work done or efficiency, depend on the work and efficiency. Listen, and the first problem, A can do a work in 6 days, B in same work in 5 days. That means A complete the work in 6 days, B complete the work in 5 days. The contract for the work, that contract for the total work is 2200 rupees. How much can be? That means how much shall be? That means how much amount can be? Both of them working together. That means A and B combinedly working together. Listen, listen. A work for 6 days. A complete the work in 6 days. B complete the work in same work in 5 days. The ratio of A is to B. The day ratio is 6 is to 5. That means efficiency ratio. That means wages means amount is indirectly proportional to the efficiency. So amount is directly proportional to the efficiency, or amount is directly proportional to the work done or efficiency, listen, efficiency 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 ratio is inversely proportional to day. Efficiency ratio is inversely proportional to day. I know day ratio, but I don't know about efficiency ratio. Efficiency ratio is 1 by day. That means 1 by 6 is to 1 by 5. That equal to 5 is to cross multiplication 5 is to 6. Efficiency ratio 5 I has taken as 5x and 6x. 5 is 6x. Total amount, that means A and B. A is 5x plus B is 6x. A plus B, that equal 5x plus 6 is 11x, equal to amount is 2200 rupees. That means 11x equal to 2200 rupees. The x equal to 2000 rupees. I want amount of how much amount get B. B amount is 6x. B amount is 6x. B amount is 6x. 6x equal to 6 into 2000, that equal to 12,000. Listen, next problem. A and B and C can do a job in 12 days and 18 days and 24 days respectively. A can complete the work in 12 days, B complete the work in 18 days, and C complete the work in 24 days. For their job for 19,500 rupees. The what is the share of the B? Then find the share of the B. Listen. A complete the work in 12 days, B complete the work in 18 days, and C complete the work in 24 days. A is to B is to C. That day ratio is 12 is to 18 is to 24. The 6 table is cancelled the ratio. 2 is to 3 is to 4. Listen. I want efficiency ratio because of the amount. I want amount distributed among the based on the efficiency ratio. That's why I can calculate the efficiency ratio. Efficiency ratio is inversely proportional to day ratio. I want day ratio that equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 3, and 1 by 4. That equal to 6 is to 4 is to 3. And total is I want and taken as 6x and 4x and 3x. Total is 13x. 13x equal to total amount that equal to 19,500 rupees. 19,500. That means I want x ratio x equal to 1500 rupees. X equal to 1500, and I want B amount. B amount is equal to 4x. B amount equal to 4x. B amount equal to 4x. Then 4 into x, that equal to 1500 rupees. 1500 equal to 6. Total amount we get is 6,000 rupees. Next, a man and woman get 3,168 rupees per 6 days for their work. Next, 6 women can do as much work as 5 men can do. And what is the daily earning of the man? Listen, one man and woman, one woman for 6 days. Their amount is 6 days amount is 3,168 rupees per 6 days. What is the daily earnings of the man and woman? Then man and woman equal to 3,168 by 6, that equal to 528 rupees per daily earnings of the man and woman. Next, 5 women can do as much work as 5 men can do. 5 women can do as much work as 5 men can do. Listen, that means 5 women equal to 5 men equal to 5 men. 5 women equal to 5 men equal. Then 1 man equal to 6 by 5 women. 1 man equal to 6 by 5 women. Then man plus woman daily earning is 528 rupees. Plus 1 man equal to 6 by 5 women plus woman equal to 528. That equal to 11 by 5 man, 11 by 5 women equal to 528. Then 11 times 11 table 5 to 48 times, that equal to 5 into 48, that equal to 1 woman daily earning is 240. But I want only man daily earnings. That means man plus woman equal to 528. Then man equal to 528 minus 240, that equal to 288 rupees for daily earnings of the man. Next, uh, 2 men and 1 woman get 2 men and 3 women and 5 boys get 23,310 rupees per 7 days for their work respectively. Next one, respectively their capacities in the ratio 5:4:3. What is the daily earnings of the woman? What is the daily earnings of the woman? Listen, 2 men plus 3 women plus 5 boys equal to 23,310 rupees for 7 days. 7 days amount. Listen, what is the daily earnings of the man? Daily earnings of the 2 men and 3 women, 5 boys. That is, the daily earnings is 23,310 rupees by 7. That equal to 3,330 rupees for daily earnings of the 2 men and 3 women and 5 boys. Listen, the ratio is given only single man and single woman, single boy. That means 5:4:3 is the single man ratio and single woman ratio and single boy efficiency ratio is given. But in this question only 2 men and 3 women and 5 boys. That's why 5 into 2, 2 men, 4 into 3, 3 women, 3 into 5, 5 boys, 5 boys, 5 boys, that equal 10 is to 12 is to 15, that equal 10x is to 12x is to 15x, that equal to total is 37x, that equal to 37x equal to 30, daily earnings of the 2 men and 3 women and 5 boys, that equal to 90, 3,330, that equal to x equal to 90, that equal to I want women ratio equal to 12x. 12x is the 4 women ratio. 4 women equal to 12x, that equal to 12 into 90, that equal to 4 women equal to 1080 rupees. And what is I want single women of the daily earnings, that equal to 1080 by 4, that equal to 360 rupees for the daily earnings of the woman. This is the next question. 1 man and 2 women, 1 man and woman and boy get 8,640 rupees for 8 days for their work respectively. Their capacities are in the ratio 4:3:2. What is the daily earnings of the boy? Listen, 1 man plus 2, 1 boy, 1 woman plus 1 boy equal to 8,640 rupees for 8 days work. 8 days amount. 8 days amount. I want daily earnings. That means 8,640 rupees by 8, that equal 1080 rupees. The daily earnings of the 1 man and 1 woman and boy. Their capacity is efficiency in the ratio is man is to boy, that equal 4:3:2, that equal 4x and 3x. 3x is to 2x, that equal to what is 4x plus 3x plus 2x, that equal total is 9x. Equal daily earnings of the man and woman and boy, that equal 1080. X equal to 1080 by 9, that equal to 120 rupees to the x. Next, I want daily earnings of the boy. Boy equal to 2x, that equal to 2 into 120, that equal to 240 rupees is the 240 rupees is the daily earnings of the boy. Next question, 1 man and 2 women get 5,600 rupees for 5 days. 2 men and 1 woman get 4,640 rupees for 4 days. What will be the earnings of the 3 men and 4 women in 3 days? Listen, 1 man and 2 women 5,600 rupees for 5 days. Daily earnings is 1 man plus 2 women, daily earnings is 5,600 by 5, that equal 1,100 for 1 day. Next, 2 men and 1 woman equal 4,640 rupees for 4 days. Daily earnings is 1,160. You have to find out the 3 men and 4 women in 3 days. Listen, equation 1. This is equation 1. 1 man and 2 men in 11,200 rupees by daily earning. Equation 2. 1 plus equation 1 plus 2. Then equation 3, that equal to 3 men plus 3 women equal to 3 man plus 3 women equal to 2000 280 rupees is the equation 3. And by equation the by 3 is common, so 1 man plus 1 woman daily earnings is 2280 by 3, that equal to equation number 4. Equation 4 into 5, that equal to 3 5 man plus 5 women into 760 into 5, that equal 3800 plus equation 2, that equal 2 man plus 1 woman, that equal to 3 man plus 4 women equal 2640 rupees per daily earnings. But I want only 3 days earnings, that equal to 3 man plus 4 men, that equal to 2640 into 3, that equal to 7920 rupees the daily is the 3 days earnings. Listen, these are the same problem. 2 man plus 3 women is 9200 rupees for 7 days, and 3 man plus 2 men in 8880 rupees for 6 days. I have to find same solution. You have to find out similar problem. Next, A and B and C can do a work in 6 days, 8 days and 12 days respectively. Doing that work together, they get an amount of 13,050 rupees. What is the share of the B amount? Listen, A gets 6 to A can complete the work in 6 days, B complete the work in 8 days and C complete the work in 12 days. 1 day work of A is 1 by 6, 1 day work of B is 1 by 8 and 1 day work of C is 1 by 12. This is the last problem. A can do a piece of work in 10 days. B can do the same work in 15 days. They work together for 5 days and rest of the work done by C in 2 days. It get 4500 rupees for the whole work. How should divide the money? Listen, sir. A can complete 1 day work is A complete the work in 10 days. B complete the work in 15 days. A 1 day work is 1 by 15. B 1 day work is 1 by 15. Listen, A and B together complete the work in 5 days. That means 5 days work of A is 1 by 5 into 1 by 10, that equal to 1 by 2 work the work, and 5 days work of B 1 by 5 into 1 by 15, that equal to 3 by 3 of 1 by 3 of the work. C does the work done is 1 minus completed work, that means 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, that equal 1 by 6 of the work. That means 3 is to 2 is to work done ratio A is to B is to C is 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 6, that equal to 3 is to 2 is to 1, that equal to total work is 6x, that equal to x equal to 750 x equal to 750, 6x equal to 4500, x equal to 750, 3x equal to 3 into 750, 2250, and B equal to 2x, that equal to 2 into 750, that equal to